cool girl, I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please ignore that I don't have lipstick on. I just finished up my makeup. Now I'm moving on to my hair. You guys have been asking me for a hair tutorial ever since I got my hair cut. So I'm bringing you this hair look, my go-to hair look, now that I have my curtain bangs and lots of texture going on. You can't really tell because my hair is so dark. But my hairstylist gave me curtain bangs. I told her I just really wanted volume and a little trim, and she gave me all that. She did my curtain bangs and she did lots of texture around my hair, so it's not necessarily layers, it's just a lot of texture, and I love it because I told her, she asked me how it is that I want to start styling my hair, and I told her that I really want to be able to curl it and not like fall so flat, because my hair is very heavy down below, so like curls would never stay intact, and now they do, and with the texture added you can see like different levels of curls, and it's just my favorite thing ever, and I love my hair right now. I'm gonna be keeping this style for a long time. So the two hot tools that you'll need are these right here. These are both the Sephora Collection X Aria. So this blow dryer, I just have this little attachment on it, and then the straightener. But I'm going to show you guys all the products and just all in depth. So let's get started. I've really been loving this Eva NYC dry shampoo. I don't think this is the full size, but I have like 3 of these mini ones, so I'm going to use these. So I'm going to put this all over my head, focusing it all in the roots and especially where I want the volume. So a lot of it is like back here, not too much in the front, but a lot back here. And I'm just massaging it in. Now I'm gonna put some of this Briogeo Repair Oil. I go between a lot of hair oils, but I like to put this one on before I apply heat, just because it's a strengthening oil, and I just focus it on basically the ends of my hair. We're gonna apply some heat protectant because duh, now that I'm putting so much heat on my hair, I need all the protection that I can get. This one's from Bondi Boost, or Bondi Boost, however you pronounce it. We are going to, I just kind of grab the very top portion of my hair, leaving a lot of the bottom actually. So I am just parting it, grabbing my bangs, and we're just gonna clip this baby in place. And we're now going to start curling these pieces. I don't know what it is, but I really enjoy curling with the straightener. Even my hairstylist, when I told her to curl my hair, she's always used a straightener to curl my hair. I just really like the curls better. I feel like on my hair especially, because like I mentioned, it's super heavy down here. A wand curler never keeps the curls. Whereas the straightener does, and I've been using a straightener to curl my hair ever since I had short hair, and it was like so fast and easy. So I'm just gonna start grabbing pieces and curling away from my face and towards my face. The only thing that I do is I leave about an inch at the end so that I don't burn my ends. So I'm gonna kind of like leave that much, and then it's curled. So that was away from my face. Now this next one I'm gonna do towards my face, and I'm just gonna keep going. I have a lot of hair, so let's just speed this up. Okay, so here's the difference so far. I'm gonna keep the curls like this for now. I'm gonna do this next part and then we're gonna move on to the top layer. Okay, so now that both of these are curled, this is a hairspray that I really, really like. It's lightweight and it doesn't smell like hairspray. And I just like that it's light because it doesn't make my hair crispy and I can keep adding it day after day. And then use my fingers to kind of separate. You could use a brush. I just feel like the brush separates it a little too much. And then just kind of twist it around, play with it. Letting this top layer down. Okay, so I'm gonna avoid the bangs. And then I'm just gonna start curling this top half also. Same movements, just away and towards. Okay, top layer's now done. Gonna do the same thing. I just like aiming it up so that the curls maintain upwards, you know? Now we're gonna do the bangs. I'm gonna use a round brush and this. I'm gonna put this on the hottest setting and we're only gonna do it on the low setting because I don't wanna burn my bangs, you know? So all I do with this is round it out. And then with the straightener, I just kind of throw it to the back. Just like the very ends. Because I don't like them looking like super curled. And then I'm just gonna add a touch of hairspray to my bangs so that the flyaways can just like stay in place. And then I always just mess with my hair at the roots, especially because there's dry shampoo in there, so it just gives me a little bit of texture. And then I just play around with it, guys. Like, the point of it is to be messy and not clean whatsoever. So that's it. That's my hair. I don't really like to add like oils or anything to it because, well, we added a bunch of hairspray for that very reason. Plus the oils are just gonna kind of straighten it out a little bit more, which is why I like adding the oils beforehand. But that's my hair. It takes me about like 20 minutes, sometimes half an hour if my hair just isn't working with me, but this is when the curls stay a lot better and my hair is dirty. Like when it's been a couple days and there really isn't product in it, it's just dirty from putting it up, touching it with my hands, using oils. So yeah, again, I really like all the products that I use in my hair when I do this because it doesn't make my hair feel nasty at all. This hairspray, this dry shampoo, even these two products, like, it doesn't make my hair feel disgusting afterwards. So I really like using these because they're super light and it still does the job. Like, my hair will stay like this until tomorrow. Maybe not my bangs, but they're just bangs. It's a quick fix. I hope that you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching. I know you guys really wanted to see this hair look. It's been poppin'. So yeah, go get curtain bangs, go get lots of texture, and do this hair look. Anyways, I love you all. Make sure you're subscribed and like this video if you want more hair tutorials and explanations on products and all that stuff. Lots more videos coming soon on beauty, fashion, hair, and all that. So See you in the next video. Love you all again. Bye.